Hey guys, welcome back to We Didn't React. I'm Mark, and today I'm joined by
Joe.
Ian.
Cat.
And today we're reacting to another EXO live. This one's gonna be
EXO
Planet number 3, the EXO'rDIUM in Seoul. White Noise, Thunder, Playboy. I think that's Artificial Love.
Ooh.
And do we have more? Oh, that's it, Artificial Love. Okay, now EXO concerts, they go crazy.
Look at the crowd.
They go crazy.
80,000 pounds.
I know. Nah, EXO lives, like their vocals, like I feel like on a different planet. It's that good.
On the exoplanet.
Yeah, honestly, yeah. Yeah, we did the EXO guide, and what they're like aliens. Their concept.
the
They're
concept.
aliens.
They're also all actors.
Yeah, except one. I think it was Chen. Yeah. I feel like all of them had an acting gig except Chen. That was so good. But yeah, I'm keen. Should we just get into it?
Yeah.
Right, let's go. Whew. Oh, here we go. Oh, they love the moving stages, I reckon. Oh, Kai.
Ooh.
Wow.
It's a cool song.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I love when they walk together as a team.
Ooh.
Are they not scared of all the...
Oh, wow. Holy.
Whoa, it's water.
No way. Oh my god. They're just in the middle. It sounds pretty nice. Okay. Let's go.
Damn.
Oh, Chen.
Ooh, what a beast.
Look at 360 stadium.
Oh my god. Oh my god, wow.
To be there live right now.
Oh.
Oh, there's more.
Oh, it's gangster. The gangsters now. Okay.
That was funny.
Oh, that's good.
I like his smooth style, this song.
Baekhyun, I think.
Yeah, that's vacuum.
Yeah, Baekhyun. Oh, let's go.
What's that private section?
Yeah.
They're like on the same
VIP,
part.
yeah, VIP section.
No way.
Yeah.
How much?
Oh, too much.
Bro, that's like.
Yeah, you're so
That's
close.
so close. What the hell? Oh my god, he's
Yeah.
looking at someone just now.
Yeah.
Legit, that's crazy.
It's such a cool song.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god.
Nah, bro, you'd be right there.
Yeah.
Like, that's crazy.
Like everyone has a section.
Yeah.
Oh my god, like the whole crowd get some action.
That's why they have more members.
Yeah.
Thunder. I gotta remember that one.
Ooh.
Oh
wow.
They killed it.
With the camera changing angles, I feel like I'm watching a movie.
Yeah, bro, they're destroying this fucking this live.
Last song.
Oh my god, they're right.
Oh, vocals.
Oh my god.
Damn, this is hot.
I like the
It's a little bit too much.
Yeah. They probably like go to a new section every single time. Like it's yeah. That's so good.
I like that song as well.
It's a full loop.
I know.
It's a full loop. What the? How do you get the fans in?
I don't know. Oh, Baekhyun.
Damn.
Oh.
Go vacuum.
Oh.
The ad-libs.
By the buzzcut guy.
I think multiple members are doing that as well.
Too
They
good.
killed that song.
Too
That song
good.
was insane.
Yeah.
was old school, but it it matched the vibe.
Oh, wait a minute.
Ooh, switching it up.
This
Let's
is
go.
Different. Oh, and the cane.
Let's get hype.
Should be a John Wick song.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's this one?
Oh my god, I don't know.
Something love?
Yeah.
Artificial love?
Artificial love, maybe.
Ooh,
Okay.
something different.
Oh.
Mike Tyson.
Nah, I love it how they're getting like every section of the crowd. Oh my god. Whoa!
Damn.
Woo!
Damn.
Damn!
I was wondering what they were doing with that.
Oh, wow!
God, I thought it was to help them walk, man. Oh, Lord.
I'm gonna watch that again, maybe.
This is actually a Magic Mike song.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
That's cool.
Oh. Nah, this is too good.
I want to see them do the sexy thing again.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, here it comes
Oh, he's doing it. Oh. Oh. Look at him
Magic
go.
Oh my
Magic
God.
XO.
Let's go. Oh my god, some EXO magic. Oh my god.
This is what our clubs need, this song.
Damn.
Oh my god.
This is a banger.
Yeah.
Club banger.
The crowd's not getting hype enough for this, man.
Yeah, they're too dead for this. Come on.
We'll be going crazy.
Oh.
It's part of the family zone, bro.
Oh, let's go.
EXO. There's more?
Oh,
What?
Oh my god, back to 50 Shades, bro.
Oh my god.
Okay, dance break.
Ooh,
No way, no.
he's killing it.
Bro, he's on a platform as well.
Oh, no.
Surely not.
Is he not scared?
Damn.
Holy.
Nah, he's clean.
Ah, he's doing this blind.
It's Gojo.
No, but how red hot though?
Yeah.
No.
Sure, hopefully there's like grooves in maybe like the platform, maybe?
Holy.
He's got the spatial awareness.
Yeah.
Oh, what a way to end it. What a way to end it.
Damn.
Oh my
Son
god.
him. Son him.
Holy
Oh,
damn.
Lord have mercy.
Oh my god.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
I reckon that was my favorite EXO live.
You reckon?
100%.
Yeah.
I
Besides,
think-
the acoustic was really nice.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
maybe that because the acoustic, and then they went onto the moving platforms.
Ooh.
So this could be right after that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
That'd be a good way to transition.
But yeah, what a. This is all the same like concert or performance. This
Yeah.
is insane.
Yeah,
This
back
is
to
actually
back.
insane. They are.
Nah,
yeah.
yeah.
their
You're always
performance.
met with something fresh and new from them. It doesn't feel like samey.
Yeah, yeah,
I feel like an EXO live, like it'd never be boring.
yeah.
Like you can
100%.
tell they're putting in 200%.
Yeah.
You know.
Nah, the crowd got their money worth.
Even the set, like they could
Yeah.
go everywhere. They look. Could,
I'm pretty sure every member went to every single section
Yeah.
at least once.
Yeah.
And, so yeah, everyone got to see everyone.
And that's really special and very creative. Usually you go to a concert and you're in a horrible seat, like all the way at the back, and you're watching
Yeah.
them on a screen.
Yeah.
But then here, like,
They're in the center.
yeah,
Exactly.
Yeah, that's so
they're
good.
moving around.
Yeah, what's everyone's favorite song from that? Mine's definitely Artificial Love. I
Yeah,
reckon.
obviously,
Yeah.
artificial love.
What about you, Josh?
Oh, I would have to say the same. Right.
There's no competition.
I mean,
I
I
feel like
think
it hyped its way up there.
yeah, the performance for definitely Artificial Love, but I really like Thunder, honestly.
Oh, yeah.
Thunder, like I'd add that to my own playlist. You know, that was
Yeah,
just
yeah,
such
yeah.
a clean song. I love that one.
Yeah, yeah, no, that was too good. Artificial Love, those moves and that. Yeah.
Damn, there's probably some like fan edits out
Oh,
there.
100%. Some fan cams of like individual
Yeah.
members doing that. Jesus
Damn.
Christ. That's some 18 plus stuff.
Yeah.
Wow.
Damn.
We had to log in to watch this video.
I know. Should be illegal. Oh my god. Alright guys, that was our reaction to EXO's, I'm just gonna say, live performance. That was honestly amazing. Yeah, shout out to our patrons who have been supporting us, but also helping us select this video. Too good. And yeah, that's WID Reacts. Thanks guys.
Too bad.